I was just listening to my song and this pretty moth or something landed on the windowsill, so I'm going to let it free. But have you ever seen a more beautiful, it's a butterfly, out of the pupa? Well, we'll see if I can show you me letting them fly. Fly, butterfly. Uh-oh. That's not good. Maybe I pinched his wings too hard. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Stuck again. Come on. Just go here then. Oh, don't go to that light though. Oh. Well, I'll just leave him in there. He'll fly away. Eventually. I think it zapped him.